How to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. So if you want to set up the Google Family Link on your iPhone, then first you just need to simply download the Google Family Link from the App Store. Once you've downloaded, you need to go and log in with your Google account. And after that, you need to create your child a Google account if needed. You just need to simply go with yes if you need a Google account for your child, and then you need to tap on the account and tap on add another account, and you need to create an account. And after that, you need to remove your account from their device if needed. Go with manage accounts on this device, go with Google, and then go with remove account. Now you just need to simply go and open parent controls on your child's Android phone. Open up the settings on your child's Android phone, go with Google services and preferences, and under that here you will have parental controls. Tap and turn on the parental controls. Tap on get started and then go with child or teen and tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And after that, link your Google account to your child's account. And after that, read about the supervision and confirm with their password. Go with agree, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on allow. And after that, wait for the accounts to link. Once the accounts are linked, tap on next, which is on the bottom. And after that, you can manage the apps and filters on your child's phone. So tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and you can review your controls and set limits. And after that, you can manage the parental controls from the Family Link iPhone app. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.